Hello there, today we will be installing Tradingview Windows app. To install this app, head to tradingview.com/desktop. To be honest, it's a bit tricky to find this URL from Tradingview's website. We will also be sharing the link on our descriptions or the comment below. You can also use our affiliate link if you want to sign up paid account with Tradingview. Once you have opened the website, there will be an option to download for Windows. The installation would be pretty straightforward. Once you have installed the Windows desktop application, the Tradingview's operation is exactly the same as web version. You will find that everything is smoother with the desktop application. If you log in with your account, you will find the same data from your web account.